many, and they had a couple of houses. There was nothing here. In 1929, when the crash hit, when they were finally able to talk people into building the dam, see, when they first wanted to do it in 1922, they had to get all 7 states that are affiliated with the water to agree. Arizona said, no, someone's going to steal our water. California. They didn't want to let it happen. That white spot you see, that's where the water was. We're 120 feet below what we need for max level, 73 feet below what we need to keep all the generators working. From what one of my customers told me last week, they've got 1 generator working. I don't know. You guys will find out. I haven't been inside in almost 25 years. But I was on that stupid island over there in 1984, and I was enjoying the heck out of myself on my boat. My boat wouldn't even fit the thing anymore. It's way too down.
To the right, you will see the lifting mechanism of the crane that is supported by the cables. This is the original crane from the building of the dam. It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cableway crane system in the world, with a lift capacity of 150 tons. The crane is used to deliver large equipment from the road to the ramps below. Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless men that performed some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Boulder Canyon project. These brave characters, called high scalers, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a bosun's chair. The pictures you wish. The next presentation is located across the street at the play.
Why they chose this canyon over that one. One of them was the height of the canyon walls here. It turns out they could build a really, really tall dam in this canyon. In fact, when Hoover Dam was finished in 1935, this was the tallest dam in the whole world, 726 feet tall. Another reason for the move here was how many is in there, Marty? Anywhere along the railing is fine, folks. You can go all the way to the end there if you like. Just find a spot along the railing. It's going to be pretty full, so claim your spot now. Anywhere along the railing, folks, is all the way to the room, folks. Lots of room at this end if you're just arriving all the way in. Look right in the center of that generator. You see a light shining on a steel shaft. Can you see it right there in the middle? Well, at the bottom of that shaft, 40 feet down, is a water wheel. So how this works is out there on the lake side of the dam are the intake towers I talked about earlier, taking in the water from the lake. It's flowing downward through our penstock.
They got thousands and thousands of these things. They go all the way, almost halfway to California. The company had a bunch of senators and congressmen and representatives come out here and had me drive them through these stupid solar fields and then into Lake Mead or the Hoover Dam and over here to Boulder City.
You got safety. Well, I thought the safety thing when I had to walk up the means.